Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my Chelsea collection. I have 4 right now. I have these 2 where their outfits are painted on, and these 2 which are our newer dolls. I love the Chelsea line, and I have Kelly. In North America, she was called Kelly, and she did evolve to become Chelsea. She was Barbie's youngest sister, and she was the baby. She has now evolved to be, I believe, between 6 and 8 years old, and she became Chelsea. Oh, sorry, Chelsea. These 2 are my original Chelseas, and these 2 are my newer ones. And if you look at the back, these guys are from 2015, dated on the back. And these guys say 2010. I find that interesting because in 2010, the clothing came separately. And in 2015, the outfits were starting to become painted on. And we know I don't like the outfits that are painted on. Now, these girls did come with a skirt, as you can tell by the little lines. This was the skirt. It's stretched out, and it is quite old because this is now a 10-year-old skirt. So the elastic has let go, and it doesn't really fit her anymore. But that was the whole outfit. Not really exciting. Now, I do like these 2 because they have swimsuits built in. If you look at it like this, it looks like a swimsuit. Whereas for this little one, we had to buy her the Chelsea outfit. And we know how hard it is, even to this day, to find Chelsea outfits. This actually isn't even a Chelsea skirt. This is from another doll that was teeny tiny. I love the quality of the Mattel Chelsea outfits, but they're hard to find. So I have 2 surprises. 1, are you ready for this? A new friend for Chelsea, or a new Chelsea doll. Because if you notice, in the past, all the friends had names. Now they're all just Chelsea or Barbie. And I like that because this doesn't have to be Chelsea. All my dolls are Chelsea and Chelsea's friends. So I have this one. She's super cute. She's our first redhead. So we have our blonde, our black hair, and our 2 brunettes. And now we have a redhead. I'm excited, but I said there was more. Okay, what have we been talking about? Hint, it's the attire. I went back to Dollar Tree. I should correct this. She came from Dollarama. So remember our American friends, this is a dollar store in Canada that goes up to $5. And I got these at Dollar Tree. Now, we have reviewed some of these outfits in the past, but they were more long-sleeved and pants and school with all the backpacks. These ones are more summery. We have a skirt, which is cute. We have, this one reminds me of tennis. It has the hat, but not the racket. And they all come with shoes that fit Chelsea. Because, in case you haven't noticed, my dolls don't have shoes. I do have 1 pair of boots and 2 pairs of running shoes from the last ones we did. But it is so nice to have Chelsea shoes. And we have our new doll. I'm going to split this into 2. We're going to review the doll in one outfit, and then we'll review the other 2 outfits. Otherwise, I'm just going to ramble on, and it's going to be kind of boring. So let's split it up and make it into 2. First things first, let's open our new friend, our little redhead Chelsea. Now, she was $5, which is a really good price for a doll. And because of that, that's why Kelly came along, to be more affordable. Her kits and her toys and her accessories were all more affordable. Oh my gosh, look at this one's hair. She has been in the box for a while. She comes with cute little sandals. Oh my goodness, compare them to those. These ones say, these ones from the outfit don't have the bee, but these ones do. These are Barbie, and they look like they're on the wrong feet. Look at how they're curving. And she's got the greatest little bumblebee outfit. Look at how cute she is. Now, I am noticing, look at our I guess they're older, or this is just the mold from 2010, and this is the mold from 2015. Their arms are all straight. When we went to these ones, it was like Barbie. They had shape. She has a bendy arm. She has a straight arm. Sometimes you want to do things where the arm is bent, right? You can tell these ones have been played with a lot. Look at her arm. This one's still stiff. This one, and she's got some pink on her legs. which comes from 10 years of play. But I digress. Let's keep going. Look at how cute. I love that they all come in a variable skin tone, even these two. Every single one of my dolls, even these two, are a different skin tone. Barbie is for everyone, and now so is Chelsea. I love their lips and how cute they are. Let's see the date on her. She is, I can't see it, 2010. I don't like the silver, but you know, what are you going to do? I love how easy their outfits are to open. It's kind of boring though, right? It's kind of boring. It's a long shirt. I think we could do better. What should we put her in? Which one should we do first? The two dresses or the shorts? Let's do the shorts. Okay, we'll do these two in the next video. That'll be next. Watch next week. Stay tuned. Let's open this one. I'm loving it. But first, in the comments, let me know, out of my Chelsea collection, which one is it your favorites? Is it my two with the swimsuit already on, or is it one of our newer dolls? I love them all. I don't have a favorite. I love them all. I like the red hair though. I like how long it is. It's in the ponies. I like her hair. I like her hair. Oh, I just love them all. I don't have one, but you let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and let's get right into this outfit. I should actually tell you about these. These are fashion outfits from Forever Friends. So these are not actually for Chelsea. The Forever Friends are at Dollar Tree. Okay. But the outfits fit. The outfits fit. Again, if you have someone with a birthday party, these are perfect. If you're giving them a Chelsea doll. So if you buy the doll for $5 and then include the outfit for $1.50, boom, you've got a great little mini gift and you want the outfit. So let's look at this. Oh, look at the detailing on the shorts. It has little pockets. I mean, they're not real. The Velcro stitching is nowhere as good as these ones. I'm just going to take this one off her because it's going to be easier. See how she's got the 2 stitches on the Velcro? On the dollar store ones, there is 1 stitch. So you see the 1 line, and here you see the 2 lines. It is harder to see. So this Velcro is not going to come off. But look at the shorts, okay? And the t-shirt. Again, it's just the 1 line, and it's a cheaper Velcro. It's like fully attached, okay? This one's not. So this one pulls up, and this one's fully attached. But that is the difference between Mattel Quality and Dollar Tree. Like, what do you want? I think these are perfect because it's really hard. Let's get the shoes off. To find little outfits. Let's get these on her. Oh my gosh, she's going to look so cute. I am so thankful that Dollar Tree has these Forever Friend line because it's just so hard. I can't, she's such a new doll. I can't get the shorts on her. Ah, there we go. Okay. Are they going to fit? Because they might not. Watch me say this is going to fit her and it doesn't fit. Okay. So the shorts, I don't know, a little bit wonky, but let's get the top. She's going to look so cute. Let's go. There's her arms. Oh my goodness. I don't know why she comes with a backpack. I guess this is more of a school one, but I thought it was summer. There she is. Okay. Ah, look at how cute. Oh, do you see that? Look at that quality. They did not finish the neckline. See it? Not good. But again, for the price, here is her little backpack. They don't open. Nope. Oh, I guess they do. Okay, I don't think they are supposed to open. They're not supposed to open. So the Chelsea backpacks that were with the actual Barbie accessory kit, they opened. I am a little disappointed, as I always am, but I like the fact that these open like this, so you can really slide them on. So you can actually just clip them. Let me move her head all the way around so you can see. Probably should have done this on another doll, but you can just pull it, and it clips under. There's her backpack. I mean, okay, she's got a backpack and she's wearing shorts and a tee. She could be heading off to summer camp. I mean, that would be a reason that you need a backpack. I went to summer camp when I was a kid. I love that the shoes fit. I love it. I love it. I love it. There's her little boots. Okay, girls, I'm just gonna move you guys off to the side for a second. Oh, I forgot about the necklace. She comes with a little necklace. Now, is it a necklace or is it a compass? What do you think? I think that's just a stone. I don't think it's a compass. But with imagination, let's use some imagination. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Look at how cute our new Chelsea friend is with her boots, her shorts, her t-shirt, her necklace, and, let's move her hair, her backpack. I think this Chelsea doll looks like she is ready for a summer camp adventure. And in my imagination, I'm going to pretend that this is a compass. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. Go to next week's video and I will see you next week for part 2, revealing our other 2 summer outfits. Thank you so much for watching, and I will make sure to, link this video in next week's video so that you can come back and forth between them to see all of our wonderful Dollar Tree outfits. These ones are going to be next, and then you'll have to let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks so much, everyone.